Shrimp likes it's cold. See, I melted some, or I caused it to melt where I went over it with my tractor yesterday. Snow, snow, snow. It's snowing now. When does it stop? Nobody knows. Snow, snow, snow. There's an icicle hanging from the house. Listen to the snow under my feet. Well, I didn't expect this much snow, or I might have put the horses in the barn. Look at shrimp. Tank, they're having trouble even. They're having to walk in my footsteps. Unbelievable. I don't remember a snow like this in many years. Many years. I had trouble even just walking. And you can see the horses aren't shivering. They're a little bit wet, but they could be colder. I've seen horses shiver in the cold. And I need to move them up to the barn, but I will after they've eaten this. Well, we've got snow, 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 snow. I just put out hay for the horses. I had to call them. They've been out back. Snow, 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 snow. What do you think, honey? You want to come? I got warm clothes on. My dogs don't mind.